Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix TikTok voice message option not showing problem or TikTok voice message icon not showing problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on apps. Tap on manage apps. Search TikTok application. Tap on TikTok application. Again tap on storage. Tap on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Clear cache data, it helps to fix TikTok voice message icon or TikTok voice message option not showing problem. Step 2. Open Play Store and update your TikTok apps latest version. You make sure your TikTok apps is updated. Step 3. Open your TikTok apps. Tap on inbox item. Tap on any TikTok friends. You can follow all of the steps to fix TikTok voice message icon or TikTok voice message option. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.